Hi, I'm Brooke Mita,
And I'm Bill Sharp with the Bill Sharp team.
and this is Getting Real with Real Estate.
Today we're going to talk about first-time home buying and what you need to do to make your first home purchase. This has become one of the most difficult times in history to obtain a mortgage loan, coupled with a rising interest rate environment and rising prices. This is why it's really important to move forward now on your home purchase rather than later when interest rates and prices are higher. First and foremost, before you go start looking at a property, you're more than likely going to need a mortgage, and your realtor and seller will want to know that you're qualified to obtain the mortgage loan in the contract you've submitted. To initiate the process of obtaining your pre-qualification letter, a lender will analyze your income, assets, liabilities, and credit to determine your ability to qualify for the loan. Your lender will be trying to determine the maximum amount of money that you'll be able to qualify for, in addition to your ability to afford the payment associated with the property you purchase and the amount of money necessary to close the transaction. They'll also look to see if you have sufficient credit to qualify. Once all these factors have been determined to be satisfactory, your lender will issue a pre-qualification letter tailored to your individual transaction, which will show the seller that you're qualified to close the transaction on the offer that you submit. It's important for you to know that your credit report is only good for 90 days and your credit is paramount to obtaining the best financing terms, and you should be very cautious to let anyone run your credit. You should also not go out and make new purchases that could affect your ability to repay the loan, such as purchasing a new car, as all of this will be very heavily scrutinized. There are many loan programs to choose from, and during this pre-qualification process, your lender will help you pick the product that best suits your needs. Feel free to call us at Sharp Mortgages to obtain your pre-qualification and ensure your transaction is headed to a successful closing at 904-500-LEND. You also can go online to begin your application at www.sharpmortgages.com.
As Bill mentioned, interest rates have risen and will continue to rise, as well as home prices in the Jacksonville area, which are also on the rise. The median home price in the 32256 zip code has risen 3.7% in the last year alone. So buying a home now can prove to be an asset and an investment for you that will grow in the near future. As Bill also mentioned, financing and taking on this new financial responsibility is critical for understanding. So some things to consider are your debt to income ratio, your credit score and how you can improve it to get the best financing possible, how much you have in savings and how this is going to relate to your down payment and paying for your closing costs, not incurring any new debt, and also budgeting for the new expenses that you will be having as it relates to owning a home. So these can include but are not limited to your monthly mortgage payment, your homeowner's insurance, property taxes, utility bills, maintenance and repairs, yard work, and HOA fees if they're applicable to your property. Don't forget to watch last week's episode on closing costs if you need an idea of what that might be for you as well. So once you get your pre-approval letter from your lender, it is now time to work with a realtor. They will help you determine the areas of interest that you have that you can afford. And then once you find some houses that you are interested in, your realtor will schedule private showing appointments for you to go see the homes. Finally, once you've identified the home that you like, you can put an offer in on the home of your dreams. I would be happy to set up a personalized search for you on our multiple listing service to help you find the home that you're looking for. So give me a call today at 904-500-SOLD. Don't forget to check out our Facebook page and vote on the next episode.
We look forward to speaking with you soon, and we'll see you next time on Getting Real with Real Estate.